Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of adding, linking, and customizing a button in Wix.com. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clickable button on your site, make it point wherever you want, whether that's a web page, an email, or even a document, and tweak its appearance until it looks just right. If you've ever felt a little lost trying to get your site interactive, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged in and editing your site in Wix. Now head over to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see a menu. Look for the Add Elements button. This is where you can insert anything new onto your website, from images to text to, of course, buttons. Go ahead and click on Add Elements. Give it a moment. If the menu takes a second to load, sometimes it just needs a beat. When that menu opens up, you'll see an option for buttons. Click on that and you'll be greeted with a whole lineup of different button styles. You might see simple rectangles, fancy gradients, maybe even a few with icons. Take your time here. Picking a button style that matches the look of your site is worth it. Don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always swap it out. Once you found one you like, simply click it and it'll drop onto your page. You can drag the button around and position it wherever it makes the most sense, maybe front and center on your homepage or tucked into a navigation bar. Now comes the magic part, making your button do something. When you select your button, you'll see a small link icon, kind of like a little chain link symbol. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to open up all your linking options, here, where Wix makes it super flexible. You can link your button to another page on your site, an external web address, an anchor to jump to a section further down the page, a document for people to download, an email address, a phone number, or even a pop-up. It's like giving your button a secret mission. For example, let's say you want your button to open up a web address, like your Instagram profile or an online store. Click Web Address and then type or paste the URL you want your visitors to go to. There's also an option to choose if you want the link to open in a new window or the current window. If you want people to stay on your site, pick the current window, but if you want them to keep your site open while exploring elsewhere, new window is the way to go. Once you've set up your link, hit Done. Your button is now wired up and ready for action, but let's make it look great too. With the button still selected, look over to the Inspector panel on the right. Here, where you can really personalize things. You can change the button's color to match your brand, adjust its size, or even edit the text by clicking Change Text. Maybe you want it to say Learn More instead of Click Here. Get creative. Play around with the fonts and the shape until it feels like it's a natural part of your page. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Design is all about experimenting. When you're happy with how your button looks and functions, it's time for the last step, testing it out. Click the Preview button at the top right of the editor. This lets you see your site just like visitors will. In preview mode, go ahead and click your new button to make sure it works just the way you want it to. And that's it. You've just added, linked, and customized a button on Wix. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step website tips. Got any questions or want to show off your new button? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy site building.